Who doesn't love free money?
And before you even move in, stay tuned for the rundown with Red Door Metro. George Murad,
I'm Malik, thanks.
here to show you how to move in with instant equity. Now, many clients understand this, but let me explain to you how Red Door Metro helps you do that. We hunt for properties. We look for properties that are not on the market yet. We look for properties that were on the market that didn't sell the first time. We really hunt. A lot of people say they're looking for the needle in the haystack. We like to say we throw the haystack on the needle. Some recent success stories that we have had is we had one client who recently purchased a property that was off market, was listed last year. We contacted the agent, told them we had a client interested. Her seller was still interested in selling. We were able to put the buyer and the seller together. Now, the best part was that our buyers were able to move in with $20,000 in equity. $20,000. The property appraised for $20K more than what they paid for. But that's not our only success story, because if it happens once, it could be a fluke. Malik, you want to tell us about the couple that you've had recently?
Absolutely. So we've definitely helped a couple clients that moved out in Reston as well. And there was actually a property that they moved into, and they also moved in with $20,000 in equity. We actually helped a client, an investor client in the city of Alexandria, move in with, or renovate their property with $40,000 in equity.
So these are equity that when they go to appraisal and they come in at the value of the home, you're moving in with instant equity, sometimes even doubling the money that you're putting in. Now, this is one of the advantages that we have with Red Door Metro and how we help buyers find those properties. Now, if you want more information, please call us today at 1-844-KW-METRO. And as always, thank you for allowing the Red Door Metro team to be your doorway to better living.